recommend the epoxy clay, but I recommend the sand because it is white. It is more better if you will if you plan to make a colored beads. Okay, I have one thing to explain. When I mix the A and B with the powdered food coloring, because when I mix the orange one, this is the outcome of the B epoxy, and this is the outcome of the A epoxy. So it's like that if you add the powdered color separately, not mixing with the A and B, it seems that it will be separated. The brown and the I think this is red. It seems it's turned out like brown and it turned out like pink. But in basic mixing, if you add the red and the yellow, it will turn out orange. Okay. Now this is the outcome of the orange color when I mix it with the B and the A. This is the A and this is the A and this is the B. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Let us mix the A and the B and putting the orange powdered color. I want you to join me in the experiment on mixing the A and the B, and then adding. Okay, and then adding the this is the B. Let's get a little. Okay. And then this is the A. It is with the same amount. Okay, we'll mix it first. Mix the A and the B before we will add this orange. If we can get the orange color. Now you will mix this orange color. So you see, when it is when the A and B is mixed, and you put the color, you can get the color orange. But if you separate them, what you can get is not orange. It will turn out to be like this. It's red and a light orange. So let's mix it until we will get the desired color, orange. The good thing, if you use powder color, if you want to mix some it's like yellow like this, and then you can mix, you can mix what is the color you desire, if you want really orange like this, if you want a color like this, orange, then you can put more. But now we have yellow, see, and we have the color we want with this orange food coloring. This is more safer because and this is safer, and it's cheaper because this is I think maybe 5 pesos per here in the Philippines. But you can use also poster colors if you are in different country, and I think there is food coloring powder there also. You can use it. See, the color of the video is yellow, but the real thing is it's getting orange, color orange. It is light orange. This is what happens when you add the B and the A before putting the color or the food coloring. But if you separate them so that you can use it later, this will be the outcome. Okay, this is the color, the A and the B. But if you add it, then the A and the B, this will be the color you can get, and you can put more if you want to make it darker, or you can get the dark orange, you can put more of the of this powder. Okay, you can use poster color. Okay, this is the clay, and when you just leave it in one side, the A and B, that two, if you put it in one side, and it will get longer, the color will become darker. And now this is the poster color. I have black. I have only black. It's I've used already the other colors. You can use any colors that is water-based. You can use it and add on the epoxy clay the water-based colors like acrylic in the watercolor, and also acrylic and the watercolor. You can if the watercolor is dry, you can powder it, and also with the colored chalks, you can use it with the epoxy clay. Okay, this one we can mold it later. After this, we can mold it later. This one. The good thing is, if we know the timing, if you leave the this mixed epoxy clay, and you can manage to have the timing of the texture of the clay, you can make flowers and any thing you want to do. I'm using also the epoxy clay for the next tutorials. I'm going to show you how to make a painting. Yeah, in wood. We can make a sculpture painting. I don't know what's the real term of that, but we can use this and sculpt into wood or plywood, and then make it as a wall decor. And I used a lot of I can innovate a lot of things using this epoxy clay. You can see it in my other videos. I can use the epoxy creating some cups or anything that you wish, because it's a clay. The good thing is if the clay dries into a surface, it sticks, so it is permanently there, and yeah, you can use it like a ceramic or anything. Okay, now this is the project that we've done using this color mixed epoxy clay. Now these are the things that we molded. I'm sorry, but the clips while I mold these ones are not recorded because the video stopped and I did not notice it. So this is it. These are the pendants, and then now our project now is make this as a necklace. This will become necklace, and then bracelet and anklet. Okay. So okay, this one I will show you how to mold later on with this. This one will mold it and make pendant. Okay. It's becoming orange. If we put the dye or the color in, we just leave it there, and then the color will come out, the real color. It's getting darker. So okay, what we need now is this. This is a wax cord. You can use any cords that is available in your place or in your country, but here in the Philippines we have this wax cord. We call it wax cord. Okay, you can use anything that is available in your country or in your place. And now we're going to make this as we finish it into a necklace. Okay, there, and then we're going to use these beads that we made at the first part of our video. If you did not watch the first part, you better watch the first part. Now, since the molding of the beads and these pendants are not there, I'm going to use this one to show you how to mold it. Okay, this is the necklace. Now we're going to choose some, because maybe this orange. We'll put the orange. Okay, there it is. The other one, and brown, and this brown, okay, and then the orange beads. You can make your own beads with the epoxy clay, like polymer clay. You can do anything with the polymer clay. You can make beads, you can make pendants, you can mold dolls, decoration, wall decor or whatever. But the thing is, the polymer clay is very expensive, and if you don't have enough for polymer clay, you can use the epoxy clay as the alternative. Okay, this is the alternative of the polymer clay. At the next videos, I wish you will if you like this kind of videos, try to subscribe and smash that notification bell, share by subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos, our videos, because this channel is, we do it with my son. I am the mother, and then this, I'm sharing also my knowledge in crafts. That's why it's Panyag TV. Okay, now, those who do not know how to make knots with this is it. I'm going to show also how to make knot with the wax cord. This is it. This is the other side of the wax cord, and then you join it with the other side, and then you fold it like this, and look at that. That is the okay, and then you turn it inside or outside, but I prefer turning it inside. There, and then there. Count 1, 2, 3 turns. Okay, 1, 2. You be sure that if you turn it, it will go downside. Okay, 1, and then 3. See, there. You can see the small, and then you put it in a hole, in the hole, there, and then you put it like that. Then that is the knot. So it is adjustable. Your necklace is adjustable. Do it again in the other side. Same procedure like that. Be sure that there will be a hole there, and then turn. Be sure that it is going down this side and not going up the wax cord. The tip of the wax cord, and then there. Be sure that there is a little, so that you have something to hold on while you make the knot tight. Okay, so there. Now we have our necklace. Okay, this is our necklace. Now let's go to our bracelet. We fold it in the middle of the wax cord and cut it into